Hello everyone, Deb here. I am doing the drawing for the hidden giveaway that was in the Crack the Vault collab last Friday the 15th. The giveaway is now closed and I have noted that in the title of that video now. I have done the drawing using a YouTube random comment picker and I don't know if you'll be able to see it. This is me taking a picture of my um, screen. So there's the picture one. Here's me putting in fairy love, which were the key words, right, for the filter. And, oops, there were 4 comments, which I confirmed. I went manually and looked, and there were 4 comments as of last night. Someone commented last night, and that's fine because it didn't close till today, which is Friday the 22nd. And then I hit pick a winner, and Miss Judy, you've won again. So Judy, but stay tuned, don't get disappointed yet. Um, Judy will win this half pack of hot air balloon paper. I never did show it, but you can look on the Stampin' Up! Website. I think it's still there through April. Anyway, and Judy, you will get your choice of one of these 2 tags. So let me know which one you would like, or if you don't want any, and that's fine too. Now, here's the other surprise. I decided to pick a second winner, not for the paper, but for whatever tag Judy doesn't want, plus all the die cuts, my watercolored piece, this stamped image, which I colored on a little bit there. Um, so let me show you what's in here. This one that's not colored, but I do have a little color on the edge there. Some die cuts of the fairies, this colored piece, which is watercolored, and you can just throw this one out if you want, but you'll get that, and also the one I didn't color. So that goes to the second winner, and one of the tags, which will be determined after Judy picks whichever one she wants. And so I did the same thing, but so when I went back, there were 3 comments, right? It's the same process. And the winner is Maria's Miscellany. So Maria, you will win one of the tags plus all the die cuts and things in this little packet. And that concludes my hidden giveaway for Fairy Love. Sorry to the other 2 who didn't win anything, but I do hidden giveaways, excuse me, quite a lot. Excuse me. And another one will be coming up very soon. So be sure to watch my videos and watch all the way to the end. Although I may surprise and have some in the middle or part way through, 3/4 of the way through, but mostly I do to the end because I really need the watch time. Now, don't, watch the beginning and skip to the very end of each video to see if there's a hidden giveaway. That's just not fair. Not fair to everyone else who watches all the way. So I hope you enjoyed that. And Judy, the sooner you get back to me with which tag you would like, if any of them. And someone made a comment I should add glitter to the wings. I did on the tags. I didn't, I think, on the watercolor piece. So if you want to add glitter glue to the watercolor wings, I don't think I did. But, and also they suggested to go around the edges, which is a good idea. No, I didn't, but this paper is shimmery. And it was just really hard to watercolor because it's embossed. And so I don't suggest that. I suggest maybe spraying it or something. Yeah. And this you can color the other one however you want, but there's one, and this is thick cardstock, and then all the little die cuts. Okay, so that'll go to winner 2, one of the tags, and the die cuts, and stamped image and other pieces. All right, everyone, take care. Have a wonderful Friday, and I hope you have a safe, happy, and healthy weekend. We're supposed to get drowned out on Saturday. In fact, there's a flood watch in effect starting 4 a.m. tomorrow, so I'm up high, but my basement tends to get water when we have 2.5 inches of rain in a day. So I'll be having to watch my basement tomorrow, but such is life. It could be worse. Take care, everyone. Hugs, love, and peace. And thank you so much for being part of my channel. I really do appreciate it. Um, just an example of some giveaways in the future. I will be having some ephemera packs, a little gorgeous girl stamp that I found. Um, some Auburn Lane flowers and washi. I don't have the paper anymore. And let me see what else is in here. Some stickers. They're partly used, but not all the way. And sequins and ephemera. Auburn Lane by Pink Paisley. Yeah, 2 open packs of ephemera. So those are some examples. And then there's some standalone ephemeras that I'll be giving away. Those are next, and then probably there will be some 6x6 paper pads in the future, like whole paper pads. So keep watching, and you never know. It's one way to de-stash is just give it away to people that might be able to use it, or, more than I have been. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful day.